this video, we're going to take a look at adding custom fonts such as a Google Web Font to your campaign. Okay, so to add this, first off, let's just find a text block. We can click on it and we have our font option over here. Now, these are all standard web fonts, and we've got some custom web fonts, and you can add your own custom fonts. So let's try adding one. Click on the plus button. Okay, now we just need to follow the guide on screen. So we'd recommend using Google Web Fonts as they're widely supported and of course free to use. So there's a link to it over here. So let's just hop over to Google. Okay, so on the Google Web Fonts, we can search for a font. And perhaps we like this one, and we just click on Get Font, and then Get Embed Code. Okay, and we just want to swap this over to the @import option. Right, these are the two bits of information we need, the style tag up here and the example CSS class over here. So we're going to get those. Click on Copy Code and hop back over to your email blaster, and we just paste this in the first box. And now let's hop back over to Google and get the second bit of code for the CSS class. Okay, let's grab that code here and paste it. Okay, now just click on Add Font. Okay, there's our font added and ready to use, and we can see this block's been updated. This is now added to your custom font, so that's available inside any block inside that campaign now. If you wanted to get rid of a font, if it's not being used, let's just drop it back to Arial. And you'll now see you've got an option to delete that custom font, and it's gone. Okay, and there we go. That's how you quickly use custom web fonts inside your campaign.